Do not feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. Be certain that in the religion of love there are no believers and unbelievers. Love embraces all. Love sometimes wants to do us a great favor. Hold us upside down and shake all the nonsense out. Lovers have heartaches that can't be cured by drugs or sleep or games, but only by seeing their beloved. It's your road, and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. Seek the wisdom that will untie your knot. Seek the path that demands your whole being. The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. Close your eyes, fall in love, stay there. Achieve some perfection yourself, so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean, in a drop. The prophets accept all agony and trust it. For the water has never feared the fire. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with heart and soul there is no such thing as separation. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. When the world pushes you to your knees, you're in the perfect position to pray. Live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. I am not this hair. I am not this skin. I am the soul that lives within.